Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads. I was doing some research in your area, came across your company. So I shot this custom video for you. It compares your online presence to that of your competitors, as well as just some tips and tricks for you to use. Feel free to take whatever I give you, whatever information I provide, and run with it, just to try to get you some more traffic online. So if at the end of the video you'd like to learn more about how Christy's Leads can assist, please reach out via email, text, or phone, and if not, no harm, no foul at all. So I'm going to go over three things. I'm on your website here, which looks stunning. Great first image, really captures people's eyes. That's very important. Talks about, highlights what you guys do. That's good. Click button here. Those all work, which is great. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. And content includes all the words and images on your front page. So you want to stick around 1,500 words. So you want to stay around there. So you guys could definitely add some more. If you add some more relevant content to what you're actually servicing, Google will locate you more. So when people punch in like construction companies or kitchen remodeling companies, and you have those words in here, then you will pop up higher in the searches. They basically gives more power to your website. So if you could add some more relevant content, that would be great. Also make sure you're saving your images as keywords. So keywords to your niche are probably things like kitchen remodeling, garage addition, whole house remodel. These are perfect. Custom home builds. We do have a program that lets you know how often those words are searched that we use. But location is also important. You want to try to be on the first spot on Google for as many different ways that people are searching as possible. So if you could add some more content, it would probably help you rank a little higher. The next thing I'm going to talk about are citations. Citations are your business name, address, and phone number. You want it to appear as many times as possible over the internet. I don't know how many citations you have. I don't have that program up, but I will say that the more you put yourself out there, and you have to put them in online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook. The more you put yourself out there, the more citations you have. It helps you rank in this place called the Map Pack, which I see you guys are up top when I search construction companies, Hopewell, New Jersey. So that's awesome. These are really clickable. I don't know if you're looking to expand to different areas, like maybe down to Trenton or more coastal or closer to me. I'm outside of Philly. But then I would do a more of a general search and broaden this and see where you're at. You want to be in this map pack top spot for as many keywords as possible. And citations help you get there. You also have to apply for you got to go through a little process to do that, but it's not a huge deal. You definitely want to try to get as many citations. So the last thing I'm going to talk about is your organic rank. Your organic rank is what happens underneath the map pack here. Those are the companies that are ranking organically, and those companies that are top here and top underneath are getting about 80% of the clicks. Now these things like Angie, Yelps, they don't count because they're just lead gens. The actual construction companies count. I see you guys are on the first page too, which is great. So I did a little analysis between you and your competitor here, Mac Construction. Yeah, that's who I use. So here you guys are. So I use a tool called Ahrefs, and it helps me go into your website, see what's going on. So backlinks and referring domains work together. So a backlink is any other website that links back to yours. So it could be someone writing a blog, talking about construction. They mention how great your company is. They post your website, and it's clickable, and it links back to you guys. Bam, you got a backlink. That blog is a referring domain. You definitely want to mix up quality and quantity when doing these domains. It's a big part of it there. So because of your backlink, citations, content, looks like you're getting good traffic, 84 visits a month, and you're ranking for one keyword in the top 3 and 30 keywords overall. So that's pretty good. I just want to show you what one of your competitors was doing. Again, Mac Construction. Oh, he's just one spot above you, and he has 246 backlinks, so actually less than yours, but more referring domains. So again, the combination here is tricky for sure. And he's ranking for more keywords, so that just means that people are able to search different ways to find him. And, or her, I'm sorry. And the traffic that they're getting is 146 visits per month. These are all organic traffic. Looks like neither of you are running ads right now. So he's getting 146 visits to the website a month, and you're at around 84. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions or would like to talk further, please reach out via email, phone, or text. If not, no harm, no foul. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.